Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on compliance with legal and regulatory requirements in ISO 27002. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we will explore how ISO 27002 helps organizations meet their legal and regulatory obligations. Let's get started. ISO 27002 is a globally recognized standard for information security management practices. It provides guidelines and best practices for initiating, implementing, maintaining, and improving information security management within an organization. A crucial aspect of ISO 27002 is ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is vital for several reasons. Legal obligations. Organizations must adhere to laws and regulations to avoid legal penalties and sanctions. Reputation management. Compliance helps protect an organization's reputation and build trust with clients and stakeholders. Risk management. Ensuring compliance mitigates risk associated with data breaches and security incidents. Operational efficiency. It ensures smooth operations by aligning practices with regulatory expectations. Key compliance requirements in ISO 27002. ISO 27002 outlines several key requirements to ensure legal and regulatory compliance. Identification of applicable legislation. Organizations must identify and document all relevant legal, regulatory, and contractual requirements related to information security. Intellectual property rights. Ensure compliance with intellectual property laws and regulations, including software licenses and copyrights. Protection of personal data. Adhere to data protection laws such as GDPR, ensuring the privacy and security of personal data. Cryptographic controls. Use cryptographic techniques in compliance with relevant regulations to protect the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of information. Regulation of cryptographic controls. Compliance with national and international regulations regarding the use of cryptographic controls. Implementing compliance measures. To implement compliance measures effectively, organizations should conduct regular audits, regularly audit information security practices to ensure they meet legal and regulatory standards. Maintain documentation. Keep comprehensive records of compliance-related activities, policies, and procedures. Training and awareness. Educate employees on legal and regulatory requirements and the importance of compliance. Monitor regulatory changes. Stay updated with changes in laws and regulations and adjust policies and procedures accordingly. Best practices for compliance. Here are some best practices to ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Involve legal experts. Work with legal experts to interpret and apply relevant laws and regulations. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and improve compliance process. Stakeholder engagement. Involve key stakeholders in compliance initiatives. Automated tools. Use automated compliance management tools to streamline monitoring and reporting. In conclusion, compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is a fundamental aspect of ISO 27002. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in the standard, organizations can protect their information assets, mitigate risks, and maintain trust with stakeholders. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.